Chapter 1. Review questions. A contractor who builds on his or her own lot in the hope of finding a purchaser upon completion is building on spec. One type of residential sale transaction involves the sale of any improved residential property of 4 units or less. The term realtor is a registered trademark of the National Association of Realtors and may be used only by members of the organization. Most real estate licensees are involved in residential brokerage. Property management has grown as a service of real estate primarily because of an increase in absentee ownership. The portion of the Federal Financial Institution Reform, Recovery and Enforcement Act that requires the use of state license or state certified appraisal is Title 11. An estimate of the value of property developed by a real estate licensee for use in listing or selling property is known as a comparative market analysis, or CMA. Mortgage loan originators are licensed in Florida by the Department of Financial Services. The category of construction that applies when a property owner employs a contractor to build according to their individual specification is called custom building. After completion of construction of a subdivision, the street, sidewalk, and common area are frequently conveyed to the city or county in a process called dedication. Appraising is the process of developing an opinion of value. Value in a business requires an analysis of balance sheet and financial statement. The 3 areas of expertise real estate licensee brings to the transaction relate to valuation, marketing, and property transfer. The composite value of the real and personal property plus the intangible assets of a business is called going concern value. Part 1 of FS 475 covers regulation and licenses of real estate practitioner. Part 2 covers the registration, licensing, certification of appraiser in Florida. Chapter 1. Practice exam. Which of the following statement is true regarding a mortgage loan originator? A mortgage loan originator must have a separate license. A real estate appraisal fee for professional service is based on which of the following? On the time and difficulty of the appraisal. Which of the following best describe the real estate brokerage business? Service business. When a developer completes construction of a new subdivision, all streets, electrical, water, and sewer installation are finished and deeded to the city or county. What is this process called? Dedication. Which of the following is not one of the responsibility of the property manager? Preparing leases. What does the term farming refers to in real estate? Specializing in one geographic area. Which insurance policy can a real estate licensee offers to the public without additional state licensing? None. Again, question number 7. Which insurance policy can a real estate licensee offer to the public without additional state licensing? None. What is the purpose of the National Association of Realtors? Preserve the right of individuals to own real estate through an exchange of information. What does the designation of Realtor signify? The designation identifies the real estate professional as a member of the NAR. A developer contracts to build a home according to the buyer's specification. This is an example of which type of building? Custom. The federal, state, and local government all play a role in the regulation of real estate. In which of the following area would the local government have the most impact? Property taxes, building moratoriums, and zoning. Which of the following best describe licensees who are involved in business brokerage? They must be able to analyze financial statement and understand balance sheet. In which of the following area are real estate broker not required to be knowledgeable? On accounting. Which service provided by real estate broker requires the most experience and knowledge? In counseling. An appraisal who is registered, licensed, or certified under FS 475 Part 2 must be utilized in which of the following? Federal related transaction.